Double the efficiency of razor packaging. Fully automated. Time-saving, labor-saving and exquisite. See the complete process at a glance. 1. PVC blister forming. Integral forming at high temperature. The curvature fits the razor. Uniform thickness without defects. 2. Blister cutting. Precise cutting without waste edges. Efficient and neat, eliminating the trouble of manual trimming. 3. Blister transfer. Automatic conveying and transferring. Stable without scratches, saving manual handling time. 4. Manual loading. Simple operation. Quickly place the razor, easy for beginners to master. 5. Paper card placement. Accurate alignment. Perfect fit between paper card and blister, improving packaging texture. 6. Heat sealing. High temperature airtight sealing. Dust-proof and moisture-proof, firm and not loose. 7. Finished product conveying. Automatic conveying of finished products, neatly arranged, ready for storage after direct collection. An automated packaging artifact to help improve the efficiency of razor production, worry-free and high quality.